Alright, so today I'm going to talk about threads, and specifically the mother-slave strategy that I use. This is probably the easiest way to get traffic to OnlyFans right now. And most people either don't know about it or they're doing it completely wrong. So in this video I'm going to walk you through the structure of how I run it. So here's the thing about threads. It's one of the fastest ways to scale a model from $0 to $10,000 a month. And the traffic is free. Like, you're not paying for promos, ads, or anything. You just need to know how to set up this system I'm about to show you properly. And most people don't. They make one account, post a few times, and then wonder why nothing happens. That's not how it works. Okay, so before I get into the strategy, let me guess, you tried threads before, or you've been thinking about it, but you don't know where to start. Or maybe you made an account, started posting, did a couple of posts, got some likes, and 0 link clicks or 0 subs, and you just gave up. The problem isn't the platform. The problem is you don't have the right setup, the right strategy. And that's what I'm going to show you today. So my strategy is called Threads MS, and it's basically one main organic account and then 50 to 100 slave accounts, all running my mass following bot on autopilot. That's the structure, which sounds simple, and it is, but like, the setup is where most people mess up. And if you mess up the setup, warming up the accounts, when to start following, all those stuff, your accounts will get banned on day 1 or day 2 or 3. You don't even have the accounts ready to start mass following. So let me break down my strategy. Let's start with first the main account. There's a specific way to run it. How many posts a day, what kind of captions to use, what to repost, all of that matters. And I give my guys inside my private Discord the exact captions to use. How many posts to do a day, so they can just copy and paste and start getting engagement. Then the slave accounts. For them you need threads accounts. Once you buy those, then you have to warm them up. There's an exact warm-up schedule you have to follow, and if you do it wrong, they're banned straight away. The profile picture, the pin post, the bio, all of it needs to be set up a specific way on the slave accounts. The bio has a call to action to follow the main account, and a Telegram link. The reason we use a Telegram link and not a landing page like link.me for example, is because of Instagram recent ban wave. Right now, usually when you put a link in bio, like link.me or another landing page link, it gets your account banned. So yeah, once you have your slave accounts warmed up, what we do next is log into the account, go into another models post, start the bot, which is an extension, and it will start following people automatically on multiple accounts at the same time. The people you follow will see a girl profile, follow them, go to check the account, see the bio, and some people either go to the main account and follow, thus growing it and giving it reach and making it go viral, or they go straight to Telegram from your slave account bio and then sub to the OnlyFans from there. But getting the setup right is the difference between getting 100 plus subs a day with this strategy or getting all your accounts banned and losing everything. So how it works. You open a slave account after you set it up, and like we said before, go into another models threads post. You go into your latest post and go into likes, then click sort by most recent, so it shows people who have recently liked that post. The reason we do that is because we only want to follow guys who have been recently active liking OnlyFans girls on threads in the last 24 hours. That way we know they're active, and then with 50 slave accounts you run the bot on all of them at the same time. And you're doing 2,000 to 3,000 follows per day across multiple slave accounts. The bot runs on autopilot, and when those users see a new follower, they check the slave profile, see the bio, and either go to the main account, follow it and sub from there, or they go straight to Telegram from your slave account bio and sub from Telegram to OnlyFans. That's it. That's the whole loop. And this is how we're getting 100 to 200 subs a day from threads. So yeah, when you join my group, you get the full thread strategy and you also get the bot. I sell them together. So you get the exact setup, the warm-up schedule, the threads bot with instructions on how to install it and then run it, the slave account copy and paste templates, the caption templates for the main account posts, so you can grow organically on the main account as well, the Telegram funnel setup, all of it together. It's all in one place. So if you want the threads playbook and the bot and you're tired of posting into the void with 0 results and getting 0 subs from threads, DM me the word threads on Telegram. Link is in the description. And look, it's not free. This is the full strategy plus the bot that automates the whole system. It took months of testing and losing accounts to figure out. So if you're serious, hit me up. Message me the word threads and I'll send you the strategy and the bot. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.